Sup everybody, Logan here, stock investor, aka crypto investor, back with another video. Today we're going over the CryptoDeliveryCoin. Now this is a big pre-sale here. I am going to leave a link to this pre-sale down there in the description box and in the comment section as well, so you guys can easily find this pre-sale. But there is still over 5 days left of this pre-sale. They're way past their soft cap. They've been trending in the top 10 all day. Right now they're trending number 5. They have a full audit, KYC. It's a public pre-sale. You don't need to be on a whitelist or anything like that. Name of the token is CryptoDeliveryCoin. Ticker symbol is DCOIN. It's a BEP20 token on the Binance Smart Chain. They've had over 700 contributors invest in this pre-sale so far, doing insanely well. Well past their soft cap, sold over 200 BNB worth of tokens so far. No hard cap on the pre-sale, so it's just going to continue for over 5 more days, and we'll see how many tokens they can sell because they've already sold a lot to a lot of people, and we're going to go over the information on the CryptoDeliveryCoin and how you can get it in just 1 second. But before we do that, just quickly, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to buy this token or anything like that. This is strictly just information. Take it with a grain of salt. Always do your own research first before investing in anything, especially crypto, because crypto can be very volatile. Also, there is a ton of referral codes down there in the description box. Have a look at those. Best referral codes for the best crypto apps. You can get yourself free money, free rewards, free crypto, things like that, just by using those referral codes down there and funding your account. It's real simple. Referral codes benefit both of us, so check them out in the description box. And let's get into this token here. So the Crypto Delivery is a game where you can earn, designed to provide users with a fun experience in a world with cutting-edge technologies. A wave of online purchases are made every day through the blockchain, but don't worry, our delivery fleet is here so that your order arrives to your home on time. The game will be launched on the Binance Smart Chain network and is a Web3 game. You're going to have DEX tools, DEX View, and DEX Screener trending. CoinMarketCap, CoinGecko, Fast Track, and trending, and no team tokens. So they have a full audit by Cyberscope, and you can check out the full audit of that on PRESALE. Check out the PDF. And they have a KYC, which means that their team was doxed to a company called AssureDefi to verify who they are for security reasons. Now, it's a public pre-sale, and it says current rate, so 1 BNB you will get 6,485.105 DCOINs. So it's a public pre-sale. They've had 705 different investors contribute to this pre-sale. Soft cap is 200 BNB, and they sold 231.29 BNB so far worth of tokens, and still trending number 6 right now. They've been trending all day. CryptoDeliveryCoin's the name of the token. DCOIN's the ticker symbol. 18 decimal places on this token. There is a total supply of 100 million DCOINs. There is 1.5 million DCOINs for pre-sale, 926,250 DCOINs for liquidity. Initial market cap estimate right now is $147,623. Pre-sale started basically yesterday, March 5th at 12 o'clock UTC time, and it's going to go all the way until March 12th, 13 hours UTC time. Like I said, I am going to leave a link down there so you guys can easily find the pre-sale. Now, if you end up missing the pre-sale, though, you're watching this video later on, first of all, hit subscribe, hit that notification bell so you guys don't miss any of these new tokens. But second of all, shortly after the pre-sale is over, this token will go over to PancakeSwap for purchase. You will be able to get it over there by funding your Trust wallet or your MetaMask wallet with Binance Smart Chain, going into the dApps, finding PancakeSwap, and then trading your BSC for the crypto delivery coin using the contract address that you can find on their official webpage, which is linked on their Twitter here, CryptoDelivery.io. And you can see that linked on that Twitter right there. So their Twitter is at CryptoDelivery with 2 Y's at the end. And you'll see they have a link to their Telegram, their webpage there. They just joined in January 2024 on Twitter. 8,205 followers already, 24 tweets. Their Telegram has 6,863 members. And yeah, liquidity will also be locked on PancakeSwap for a full year, 365 days. According to their token metrics allocation pie chart here, 48% of the tokens go to play to earn, 20% staking rewards, 12% reserves, 6% ecosystem fund. We got 3.6% going to marketing and development, 2% investors, 0.4% marketing development airdrops, and 5.5% decentralized exchange liquidity, 1.5% pre-sale, and just a tiny little bit, 0.92% of the tokens are for liquidity. Now, they also have a full white paper you can find on their webpage. It'll take you to whitepaper.cryptodelivery.io. So Crypto Delivery is a game to earn designed to provide users with a fun experience. We have the delivery fleet with different delivery vehicles. Be prepared to make as many deliveries as possible throughout the day to earn more tokens. So you can get a vehicle here. There's motorcycles, cars, vans, trucks, or airplanes. There's different chances of getting them. So they're motorcycles, 80% chance, so those are common. Then cars are a little more uncommon, 12%. And then vans, 7.1%. Trucks are rare at 0.86% chance of getting one of those. And an airplane is super rare at 0.04%. The value to obtain a vehicle will be 100 DCOIN tokens. When you make the purchase, you will open the box to receive a vehicle. Now, you enter the website, hit the play button at the top. You must connect your MetaMask wallet. Choose the vehicle from your inventory. Click on deliver and wait for your vehicle to complete deliveries. Refill your fuel. Went over and go to delivery. So how to earn tokens. The main objective of crypto delivery is the pursuit of the utility token DCOIN rewards from our metaverse. This will allow explorers to profit as they progress in the explorations and races and improve their strategies to obtain profits. By accessing our website, by clicking on play, you will be redirected to the game-only page, and then you connect your wallet, do the things I just mentioned. And so there is a withdrawal process of getting your tokens. There's a minimum withdrawal amount of 150 tokens. And there's a small fee, 6% fee. And then there's the status of the vehicles. You can customize them. There's gas stations. And they talk about how to get gas. And there is fuel trucks. There's also a burning system. And they have a roadmap on here as well with the concept idea, website, smart contract, start the game development, audit, KYC, pink sale, pre-sale, play to earn, gas stations available, customized vehicles, new vehicles, marketplace, airdrop, new mod game, and then central exchange listings, and then launch of the stakeholder program. So go check this token out. Now, the pre-sale is still going to go on for 5 more days, so you got a lot of time. There's tons of people investing. Like I said, over 700 people have invested in this token. It's doing extremely well. So go have a look at this pre-sale. Let me know in the comments. What do you guys think about this project? Do you think this is a good investment or not? Like this video, subscribe for daily crypto videos where I go over the newest coins and tokens and what their info and utility is. And leave a comment down there. And thanks for watching, everybody. Y'all have a great day out there. Peace out.